All right, the recipe is really pretty simple. Start out with 4 cans of pork and beans. Dump those all together in a tin. And the last one we needed the can to put extra bacon grease in. That's why it's in a bowl. And then you cook your 1 pound of bacon. Pull out the bacon, separate it out, drain off the majority of the grease, and you saute 1 onion and 1 bell pepper. And you want that sauteed so it's done. Dump that in. One cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of ketchup, like I said, 1 pound of bacon, dump that all in, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And mix that all together, and we will actually cook that out in the wood oven to give it kind of a smoky flavor. If I can find where we got this recipe from, I will actually put it in the comments so I can give credit to where we got this from, but I cannot remember where we've got it. We have cooked it in the Traeger a ton. You want to reduce it down so it's not so runny, and like I say, if you can give it the smoke flavor. But in the wood oven, it does really well. So we will meet out at the wood oven and get this cooking. All right, well, we're out here at the wood oven. We've got an active fire burning. Cooking time is about an hour. We want to go slow enough so we're not burning it at all, but we also want it to take on some smoke flavor, and we also want to reduce it down so it's a little thicker. So we'll just slide it in, and we'll just have to keep an eye on it. Stirring it often is a key, helps out a whole lot with the flavor and also reducing it down. Okay, we'll come back in a few minutes and I'll give you a report. All right, we are 1 hour. It's been cooking. I think we are done. Thickened up a little bit, about how I like them. Taking on a good smoke flavor. They smell awesome. Well, it is time to eat. Hey, if you guys wouldn't mind, if you like seeing stuff like this, hit that like button and also subscribe. Then you'll kind of get a notification when I post something. And I hope everybody has a great day. Talk to you later.